Blender is a well-known free and open-source 3D software used by many professionals to create stunning 3D animations. You may also have seen a lot of 3D architectural visualizations created using Blender. But not many people realize that Blender is also capable of producing beautiful floor plans such as these quickly and easily. If you are tired of creating the same boring-looking floor plans, or perhaps you want to stop wasting too much money on expensive software, web app, or AI credits just to deliver nice-looking floor plans to your clients, well, look no further. In this course, I will guide you through the complete process from start to finish to design and create floor plans using Blender. Assalamualaikum, my name is Widim Mutakin, founder of Expo Studio. For more than 20 years, I have been involved with hundreds of projects, including architecture, interior design, master plans, and so on. I have worked with many clients all over the world. Besides doing projects, I have also been teaching 3D and computer graphics academically since 2000. In short, I have both professional expertise and teaching experience. So, why do you want to use Blender to create floor plans? There are at least 6 reasons. First, Blender is free or more cost efficient. With Blender, you can replace a lot of expensive tools such as CAD software, image editing software, 3D modeling software, rendering plugins, and so on. I know that some web apps can help you create floor plans, and they offer free tiers or versions. But most likely, you will end up paying a lot of money as the free tiers are so limited in features or furniture library. You may rely on different AI tools to generate floor plans, but those also can cost you a lot of money as you need to purchase credits to be able to use them. Second, Blender is precise. Unlike many 2D vector graphics software that are not geared towards architectural drawings, Blender can handle measurement units precisely. The floor plans you created in Blender will not only be useful for conceptual drawings or for client presentations. These floor plans can be used later in a 3D design process as the basis to model the digital twin of the building or the project in general. Third, rendering a floor plan like this in Blender is insanely fast. You can render a 4K resolution in just a fraction of a second. The fourth reason is that the workflow or the process of creating a floor plan is also very fast. Why? Well, this is because Blender has a feature called the Asset Browser. Essentially, it allows you to create a library of assets such as furniture blocks and materials. Once you have them set up, you can quickly drag and drop the assets into your scene. So, most of the time, when creating floor plans, what you need to create are only the walls and floors. The fifth reason is that you don't even need to create all your furniture blocks from scratch. You can download them from the web in the WG, DXF, or SVG formats. And the sixth reason, you can easily generate this nice-looking line effect that has a hand-drawing feel to it. Don't worry, you do not need to draw these lines manually. These lines are actually these pencil strokes with a line art modifier. You can easily specify their thickness, colors, line styles, and so on to match your own style. So join now and make Blender your unfair advantage in the architecture or interior design fields. Have fun learning. Wassalamualaikum.